Hi, my name is Anya, and today I'll be talking about the scissor murderer while making an apple pudding. So, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if there's any case you want me to cover, please leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to press the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'll be talking about the scissor murder case, the story of the youngest woman to ever commit a murder in South Africa, while making an apple pudding. Disclaimer, I'm telling the case as I perceived it. I mean no disrespect to the victims or the victim's family. Let me know in the comments if I missed something about the case. On the 4th of November 1974, Susanna Magdalena van der Linde, a 46-year-old mother of 3, was stabbed to death with a pair of scissors. Now, to understand the case and the reason why she was killed, we need to go back 2 years. Marlene Lindberg, age 16, started her first job in the orthopedic workshop alongside a man named Christian van der Linde, age 46, who was the workshop's chief technician. He was the husband to Susanna. It is said that Marlene had grown up in a conservative and strict environment and was rarely shown much affection, thus leading her to be so drawn to Christian, who was said to be warm and friendly. The relationship between these two people started off all innocent, but it did not stay innocent for long. The couple began a love affair. After some time, the couple started to get anxious since they felt like they were being watched, and Susanna, the wife, started to receive anonymous phone calls. Now, I don't like Marlene. Going after a married man? Like, come on. She kept threatening him that she was going to leave Cape Town. She got tired of waiting on him to divorce his wife, so she took matters into her own hands. Marlene actually called Susanna and said that Christian was with her every single night and that she loved him. Susanna just put the phone down on her. Marlene phoned back. Oh yes, she phoned back and made an appointment for the two to meet in Belleville, almost like booking a restaurant. Unbelievable. During the meeting, Susanna said she was only with her husband because of their children. She also said, and I quote, "I don't mind playing second fiddle as long as you don't mind doing likewise." And let's just say that made Marlene very furious. Around this time, a patient named Martinez, age 33, was getting an artificial leg fitted when he met Marlene. A while later, Marlene contacted Martinez through a letter and said if he wants to earn some good money, to contact her. After some discussion between the two, in which Marlene said that she would buy him a car and have sex with him, they agreed on murdering a woman, the woman being Susanna. On the morning of the 4th of November, Marlene and Martinez entered the van der Linde home. Susanna saw them. She tried to run away and threatened to call the police. Marlene tripped Susanna. Susanna hit her head on the floor. Then she was struck in the head with the butt of a piston. On Marlene's instruction, Martinez started to strangle the semi-conscious Susanna. Marlene handed Martinez a pair of scissors and he proceeded to stab her to death. They fled the scene and Marlene threatened Martinez that if he ever went to the police, she would deny any involvement in the murder. Martinez was the prime suspect in the case. Marlene was later found in Bryanston. When asked if she knew Martinez, she denied it. After further investigation, she crumbled and said that she did know him and that she asked him to murder her lover's wife. The trial took place at the Cape Town Supreme Court. This trial drew in hundreds of spectators who fought for seats in the jam-packed courtroom. During the trial, Marlene and Martinez were both sentenced to death. But 2 months later, the case was reopened. In July 1975, the death sentences were set aside and new sentences were given. Marlene, age 18 at the time, received 20 years and Martinez received 15 years. Marlene died on the 7th of October 2015 at the age of 59. The cause of death was suicide. The husband Christian died a lonely man in 1983. Well, maybe you should have never cheated on your wife. He moved to Krugersdorp so that he could visit his wife's grave every day. He once told a reporter, "My dear wife is dead. I sincerely wish to God that I'd never set eyes on Marlene Lindbergh. And that was the scissors murder case. Again, if I missed something about the case, please leave it in the comments section below. Until next time, bye!